This book is so dangerous.
Na itong librong ito ay naging ban sa ilang prisons in the US para daw yung mga tao, they cannot learn things that they can use to harm people and the world.
Well, totoo naman, hindi naman nila ito ipagbabawal kung hindi ito dangerous. Ang matututunan nyo kasi dito kung paano ba gumalaw ang mga powerful na tao. You will learn manipulation, deception, control, and influence. Itong mundo kasi natin guys, maraming dangerous na tao. And at some point of your life, meron kang ma-encounter na tarantado. Pero it depends sa'yo kung paano mo ba siya gagamitin. Kung para sa tama ba or sa mali. Isa sa mga pinaka-paboritong laws dito is yung law number 34. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. Ang ibig sabihin nito guys, if you want people to respect you, you should respect yourself first. Paano ba gumalaw ang mga kings? They dress well, they walk with confidence, they are smart, magaling silang mag-strategize, magaling magsalita, and they take good care of themselves. That's why people respect them. So madami ka pang laws na matututunan dito. Sobrang dami pa niyan guys. Guys, above 100 pesos ko lang to nabili. So sobrang sulit ng pera mo. Kaya if you wanna learn the tactics, click nyo lang yung yellow basket sa baba.